Just afternoon, the water's back on. Just afternoon, the water's back on. Just for emergency, I filled up a couple of containers just for in case. But otherwise, the water is running pretty strong now. So I hope it stays like that. Thank you for all involved for getting this all fixed up. The reason why I'm extending the mud guard at the back, so you can see marks on the back side of the mud guard where the wheel scrapes. So I'm going to cut it about here and cut it on the other side, and then I put cheese wedges either side and take the back end further away from the wheel arch. So it's that section there where those lines are, where the wheel scrape marks are, that I'm extending. And take that whole section there, take it further back so that there's no interference. See, on this side now there's a much bigger gap between the wheel and that mudguard section there, and that white piece there, that's a cheese wedge that I've put in there. So that back end is much further away from the wheel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Enjoy the weekend. All the best. Thank you. Cheers.